Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a JavaScript tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn about how to increment a number. So we can easily increment a number or add it by one by using the plus plus operator. So how we will do it before is that we go to I plus one, and that would be the new I, but we can just do I plus plus. And for this exercise, it wants us to change the code to use the plus plus operator on myvar. So here, myvar 87, and we want to do 87 plus 1. But instead of just doing plus 1, we could do get rid of the equal signs and plus and just do plus plus. And this is just a shorthand way to do it. And in code, there's multiple ways to do the same things, but some ways are shorter than others. And it shows that you are more familiar with the topic, and using this plus plus is a way to show it. And this incrementing is a very useful shortcut because we're going to be having to do it a lot later on in loops and other coding projects. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.